Minister Govindas Konthoujam has termed the students' protest at Jantar Mantar as an attempt to bring down the third innings of BJP government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while citing the involvement of opposition parties in the protest. Speaking to media persons at BJP State Head Office, Home Minister Govindas Konthoujam also questioned the funding of the protest, which is led by Konthoujam Jantar Party at New Delhi's Jantar Mantar. The Home Minister added that there are countries that do not want India to progress and alleged that the movement is funded by anti-India elements. Further, Govindas Konthoujam asserted that despite the challenges and threats, India will become a developed nation by 2047 under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. While expressing concern on repeated disruption in Parliament's monsoon session by opposition parties, Home Minister Govindas Konthoujam said repeated adjournments of Parliament has caused huge losses to the economy of India. Further, Govindas Konthoujam also cited Prime Minister Narendra Modi's statement on NEET paper leaks. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has tweeted that the government has decided to set up fast-track courts to ensure swift and stringent punishment for those responsible involved in paper leaks, and it has directed the concerned authorities and officials to take all the necessary steps in this regard. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also warned against those who try to harm the future of youths, while also stating that nothing is more important than welfare and the future of youths. Speaking further, Govindas Konthoujam maintained that those protesters raising Save Manipur slogan at CJP protests at Jantar Mantar were simply trying to provoke Manipuri youths. He said that Manipur will only be saved by Manipuris and not by such sloganeering. When asked by reporters on the damage of a Bailey Bridge in Konthoujam district of Manipur yesterday, the Home Minister said that the police is trying to ascertain the exact cause of the incident. According to him, there are two reports surfacing regarding the incident. While one report says the bridge was blown up by militants from across the border, the other report indicates that it could be handiwork of miscreants from inside the state to slow down the movement of Assam Rifles troops.
Naharon sing mo mangan na bagi masak taruli report puno magsing se lem nam ta tharoi makoi chap cha ba akoi gi ain gi matung ina makoi dandi pigani haiba madugi iroi na ngasi fast track court sing same le haraga adugum laba Naharon sing mo mangan na ba thabak torok hairiba maral sel de posing si thigana na ba honagani haidana mahang na thamirak liba se aina khanja matam da soidana result fangani Maramaduna aigi Naharol Singna akoi ayam amatam da Bharatiya Janata Party na Naharol Singh da importance piram da bataragadi Sri Narendra Modi ji na young India ka maina refer to in his every speech mahanga young India haribase akoi gi youth sing ase asida Bharat se depend tawribani koi Bharat ki prosperity singsi makoi da depend tawribani haibagi wakalon da thambani